So we are starting by checking our network adapter, and what we're going to type is IPA, and we're looking for local area network wireless adapter, which is WLAN 0. In my case it has MON at the end, which means it's already in monitor mode, which is necessary for capturing Wi-Fi traffic. And before I show you how to convert your adapter into monitor mode, let's start by clearing out any process that may interfere with our network adapter. Sudo airmon ng check kill. This command ensure all process which run in background which may interfere with our network adapter is stopped. Now we are going to turn our network adapter from managed mode into monitor mode. This will give us full control of network adapter. Then we run this command, which is sudo airmon ng start WLAN 0. When your command is successful, you can see there is a mon at the end of the WLAN 0, and you can see the adapter is monitor mode already enabled. So now we can start control our network adapter and do whatever we want. We are going to start by capturing the traffic of Wi-Fi's in our neighborhood. So we run this command, which is sudo aerodump -ng WLAN 0 mon. Remember, our network adapter is already in monitor mode, so it must have mon at the ending. So we can see we already capture the neighborhood traffics. Now press Ctrl C to quit to stop the process, and what we are going to attack or to target is this specific Wi-Fi called Trojan horse. You can see we have the BSS ID, and these four first rows we can see there is Trojan horse, BSS ID, and the clients. So in BSS ID side we have Wi-Fi, and these are devices which connected to that Wi-Fi. Now we are going to narrow down our capturing process by focusing on specific Wi-Fi. So I'm going to type sudo airmon airdump ng, and I'm going to type channel, which is 6. You can see here we want to target Trojan horse, and it's run on channel 6. And we're going to type the BSS ID of the Wi-Fi we want to target. This is going to focus specifically on the Wi-Fi which is Trojan horse. So I'm going to copy this BSS ID of Trojan horse, followed by writing the file we want to save handshake data between device and Wi-Fi. Then we write our network adapter, which is WLAN 0 mon. As you can see, the capturing process has initialized. So I'm going to open the new terminal. What I want to do is make our network adapter to focus specifically on the same channel. As we remember, our Wi-Fi ran on channel 6. So I'm writing here channel 6 in this command, and if you back here you can see our Trojan horse is running on channel 6, and it will prompt me to write a password. So what actually happened here is my Wi-Fi adapter trying to listen if there is a device trying to connect to Trojan horse. So pay attention to this pair I highlighted there. Since there is no actual new device connected to Trojan horse, we are going to trick one device to reconnect in order to get handshake data. So what we're going to type is sudo air replay ng -0 10, which is how many times we want to retry to reconnect, and followed by Wi-Fi BSS ID and client address. You can see here the client address is this, which is connected to Trojan horse, and now it's going to force that device to reconnect to the Wi-Fi, which will help us to get handshake data. And here you can see there is a WPA handshake for Trojan horse, which is a Wi-Fi security information, but still it is not in plain text, so what we are going to do is crack it. The data is stored in capture result.01.cap file in my home directory. So what is next is cracking the password. Then I'm going to stop this process by Ctrl+C and entering the final and most interesting step, which you are going to get the Wi-Fi password. Here the command we are going to use is Aircrack, which is sudo Aircrack-ng. Then we specify the file which contain possible passwords which used by many people. In my case, I named it as custom word list, and I include the link in the description where you can get the word list file. So in the last step, we captured the secret of the password in the file named capture_result-01.cap, which we will compare against our custom word list file. And you can see we found a password. But this method works on the Wi-Fi's which use common passwords or weak passwords. For example, my word list file contains 10,000 words, but other word lists contain up to millions. So password like 111 or 1234567 those passwords are actual, must be present on those linked passwords. So I'm going to put the link below of various word lists which contain up to millions of passwords, like the password. Remember, this video is for education purpose and never hack device which you don't have permission to. So if there is any question, put in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.